Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. So that will cover what we'll be doing today: E90, 91, 92 and 93. So some of those guys, they will have a secondary air pump, and if you're trying to find the relay for the pump, that's what we will show you, where the relay is located. Now, not every model has a secondary air pump. Some do, some do not. Usually, the secondary air pump will be located, right here in this hole. Our model doesn't have it, and you can check the diagram as well on top, and you can find out if you have a pump or you don't. In our case, we do not. But doesn't matter if you have or do not have the pump. I can show you where the relay is, because I know some of you will need it. We used to have another E90 that had the pump, and we had to replace the relay because the relay was bad. What you need to do, guys, we need to go inside the vehicle to the fuse panel. Also, in the meantime, we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so if you need help with anything, just please subscribe, guys, drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to make that video. So we're going to go inside now, open the glove box, and second, you have to clean it, because if you have something, it will be in the way. Now I have that cable in the way here. Now we have to remove that cover. Under that cover is where your fuse panel is located. So this, just turn them 90 degrees. Comes loose, pull it out. You might have a fuse diagram which is not very detailed here, but careful not to lose it. Now, you have some relays, 3 relays right there on the side, and then you have a few more right here. This is for the car access module. This is for the headlight washer system, and you can see that relay that's missing on the bottom, on the very bottom right. This is usually the relay for the secondary air pump. Secondary air pump relay will be right there, guys. And ours, it does not have it because the car is not equipped with one. It will be squarey looking relay, but it will have more ends actually than the one on top, so you cannot replace it with the one on top. You have to use just the one that's on the bottom. So that's where the relay will be located. I just wanted to share that video with you. If you have the secondary air pump, also we have a video how to rebuild a secondary air pump on our main channel, I think, Auto Repair, guys. So check it out. It's an older video that's been doing really good and helped quite a few people. So that's it right there, how to repair, guys. So hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.